class, welcome to Life Skills. I am Mrs. Lamphere. I will be your instructor for this course, and this is the Getting Started video. So I just wanted to go over a few things to make sure everyone gets started on the right foot and answer any confusing things that might come up right away. So again, this is Life Skills, and what Life Skills is about, we're going to look at different aspects to increase your knowledge about your personal values, setting goals, eating healthy, dealing with peer pressure, all sorts of different different stuff that life throws at you. So we're going to go over on how to handle all those things in this course. So it should be a really fun course. This is my first time teaching it though, so just to give you a little heads up, it's all kind of new to me. I went through everything though, and I think I've got everything set up the way I would like. So hopefully it works for you as well. So just kind of to show you a few things, this is our course homepage, and one thing I wanted to point out first is this nifty little chat box. I sit on my computer pretty much all day. So if you're ever working in the class and you see I'm online and you have a question or just want to chat or anything, just want to say hi, go ahead and type your name in here and say chat, and it will connect to me, and we could just get a little instant message chat box thing going. So that is available on the home page. If you ever have a question or just want to say hi, feel free to log into that. And you'll notice here, this is an opportunity for you to get a few points right off the bat in this course. I like to have like a class picture to kind of just, I don't know, every time I sign in, I like to see all your bright smiling faces looking back at me. So this is just a simple 3-point assignment. All you have to do is, in the drop box, there's a basket for your class picture. If you don't have a picture of yourself, which I hope most of you do, but if you don't, I will accept, like if you have, you'll need to at least find a picture that maybe represents you in some way, if you don't have a picture of yourself. So simple 3-point assignment, and again, just to kind of put faces with some names. Chat box, class pick. Okay, so this is where all of my announcements will go. You guys are probably familiar with how announcements work. With this short summer class, which is only 4 weeks, I plan to post announcements every Monday and Wednesday, just to kind of help keep everyone on the same page, make sure we're staying on the right track and keeping up with everything. So check announcements on Mondays and Wednesdays. Now let's take a look at our course syllabus over here. There are 6, well, technically 5, actually 6 units, and then the final exam. So this is kind of like an overview of the different topics we'll be covering. Again, lots of character building, defining your personal values, eating well, lifestyles, resolving conflict, a lot of kind of random but life skill attributes that we're going to be talking about in this course. So it should be really fun. And since this is just a 4-week class, we are really crunching in assignments here to get everything done. So I have this kind of day-by-day calendar put together for you, and if you stick to this, you should have no problem getting through this class. So on the very first day, you should be reading through the Getting Started introduction piece, and then checking out this video assignment. So by watching this video and then answering this simple 5-question worksheet, that's an automatic a quick 15 points for you to get as well. And I actually just added the whole class picture thing, so you won't see that on here, but you'll see that in the Dropbox baskets. And then that's Unit 1. So we knocked out 1 unit in the first day. And then Unit 2 is where we really start to get into the curriculum and some reading, writing assignments. One thing I want you to all make sure of is before you do an assignment, make sure it's on this calendar and in the gradebook, and or a Dropbox basket for it. I cut a ton of stuff from this class just because there was a ridiculous amount of stuff that they were wanting you to do, because typically this is for an 18-week course, so I had to chop it down to 4 weeks. So there's still lots to do, but I did cut a bunch. So as you're reading through the course, triple check to make sure that that assignment is actually assigned, and I'll show you kind of what to look for in that. This would be another great piece of information for you to download and print off. This is our grading information. So all in all, I deleted all of our discussions. Okay, I cut it down to 11 assignments, 10 quizzes, 5 exams, and then your semester final. so totaling 1,000 points there. And so again, this is just kind of another way if you want to use this as a checklist. I have this color coded into weeks. So everything in blue you should be getting done this first week of class. Everything in red you should be getting done the second week, and so on. So if you don't really want to use the calendar and you'd rather use this instead, by all means, go for it. Then here is my contact information. Please do not hesitate to call me with any questions or concerns or whatever. Again, Mrs. Lanfear, you can call me Mrs. Lanfear or Miss Abby, doesn't matter to me. Just some info. Here's my cell phone number for you to get a hold of me. I know I have my office hours technically from 10 to 11, but I'm pretty much on my computer all day. So don't hesitate to get a hold of me. Except one thing I do want to point out is on Wednesday the 10th, I will actually be moving, so I won't be at my computer as much. I will try to check in as much as I can if you guys can email me with questions or anything. But Wednesday, July 10th is my moving day, so I might be a little harder to get a hold of that day. But still, if you try to get a hold of me, I will try to get back to you as quickly as I can. Okay, what else do I want to look at over here? We will not be having Class Connects for this course since it is so short. So then as you read through the text, make sure you click on these unit tabs and read through the introduction of each unit piece. You guys should know how to navigate through these courses by now. I will have this Getting Started video available right here and in the first announcement. Then I will also have just a simple 5-question worksheet for you guys to fill out over the video. And then this will be the information regarding the class picture, which there's already a Dropbox for. So basically you can just submit it to the Dropbox and I'll get it up on our course homepage. So again, I kind of want to just show you as you're going along here through the course, when you come up to an assignment, let's see if we can have one come up here quickly. Okay, here's a discussion. I have cut all of the discussions, so I would like you to just read through this and think it over on your own, but you do not have to do the discussion. So I hope I don't get a whole bunch of K-mails saying, I'm ready for this discussion piece, where is it? And then the next page is this writing assignment list of core values. Well, you'll see that that's also listed over here, and it's also listed in the Dropbox. So that one you are supposed to do. So again, just double check the gradebook, the Dropbox, the checklist to make sure that you need to be doing those certain assignments. Okay, other than that, you guys should know how to kind of navigate your way through the class. So I just wanted to point out those few things for you. Checking my notes to see if there's anything else I wanted to include. And that looks to be about it. So again, here's our course calendar. We're knocking this thing out in 4 weeks, so you must keep up from day one. Okay, there's no time to put this class off. You guys have to. It's crunch time. You're only taking 1 class, so you should be able to do this no problem. Stick to this schedule and you will be golden. Again, let me know if you have any questions. You have my cell phone number on the teacher contact page, and I look forward to this class with you. Thanks.